Creating product photos with AI can be a powerful way to produce high-quality images without needing a physical photo shoot. Here are general steps you can follow to create products photos using AI tools. So first of all you have to do is dive into FlairAI. As you can see, this is the home page. We have here various information, but before all of that, let's know how to can use FlairAI as a platform for creating branded content. You can just follow these steps. First, you have to sign up, then you create a project, then you upload brand assets, then you design with AI, and the fifth one is review and edit. The sixth one is download and use, and the seventh one is additional and features, and the last one is support and resources. So first of all, what is FlairAI? So FlairAI is an AI-powered platform focused on streamlining and enhancing creative processes, particularly in the realm of visual content creation. It leverages advanced artificial intelligence to assist users in generating, editing, and refining images, making it a valuable tool for designers, marketers, and businesses. So this is the homepage of the FlairAI. So we have here various information. First of all, we have the AI design tool for product photo shoots, drag and drop to generate stunning product shoots in seconds. So to get started, you click over here, get started, it's free. So before that, let's know the pricing here. So to get started, use Flare for free with whole team upgrade to enable limited issues since security controls and additional features. So it's absolutely free and forever. Features we have up to 10 images per month and up to 5 projects. So if we come back to the home page, let's know other information about this Flare. We have your make standout content with stunning templates, and we have your forest niche like furniture, food, and other things. You can just select the one you want after you sign up. Then, if we scroll down, we have also hosted scenes digitally with drags and drops props, bring it to life with AI. Then we have your mix match product with templates. You can just read this information to more understand about Flare.ai. Then we have build slick shoots faster than ever. Also we have your positions, and then we have here you choose fashion photo shots, feature cloth and until AI generated models, create high quality on model imagery and scale at scale. Then we have here iterate, collaborate also, so you can just read it to more understand about it. Then we have remove background, magic, erase, upscale image, replace product, make variation, and we have also color design with APA, and the last one design with Flare. So to get started, we click over get started for free here, and you can also sign up with Google or email also. So let's choose with Google. So you choose your account. So let's choose this one for example. So this is the homepage. As you can see, this is my account. So we have here explore workflows, create new project, create fashion project. We have here workflows. We have a lot of niches like beauty, fashion, food, furniture, and CPG here, and other things like engine, accessories, and home goods. Also, we have here untitled fashion projects and tiled fashion projects. You can select your projects here. So first of all, you have just to click create fashion projects here. Then you select your product. You can just upload product photos, and then you generate. Also, you can choose this one or this one or other one here. Then you click over generate to write your description, and then we have here template. Also you can just view all. Also here select a template below. So let's come back here to the top. and click over prompt builder. You have your reference image. You can just upload the image here, edit here the noun of product, and then here you choose on or in or line on, balancing on. You can just choose the one you need. The number of results also here, correct color, you can just switch on or switch off. We have a render straight also. You have default, weak, extra weak, strong, extra strong. You can just choose the one you want. Also, it's the same thing with that, strong, default, weak, no one, extra strong, and the last one also, but this one is for outline, color, this one it's for render. Then we have here props. So like you can just choose the props here and the platform and display. Here we have also white flower, plants and natural elements, rock, and other niches. Then we have here humans also. We have here female skincare and beauty model, sorry, and we have here casual model, male model, handles models, holding also hands here, and other things. About edit, we have here tools, remove background, magic erase, upscale creative, image variation, color, no one here, and you select one you want for color tint, and we have select one or zero or other things. We have here the suffix, also here is like PNG or JPG, then here the price and the color here, and then you download your image and you start share your image product. So you click over here if you want to upload your product photo. So if you want to find your photo, all I have to do is dive into canva.com. So this is a homepage of canva.com. It's absolutely for free, and this is my account. You can just sign up and start with it, and it's very easy to sign up or to find your account. So this is the home page. We click over custom size and you click over presentation. Then you can just search about your personal products, like here product sneakers. You can just choose the one you want, and here we have element texts, brand, uploads, draw, projects, and here also we have position, background also here in the for color background, and also here we have add comment. Then here we have the photo of image. Then we have here notes, presenter notes, and then we have duration also, timer, and we have here other things, zone page also. We have grid view and other things. And about position, we have arrange, layers, overlapping, and other things to modify your image. You can also delete the title here, and you write your title, also background here, as you can see, but it's very preferable to choose the black or the white or the one you want. So this is it for Canva, and then if you're done with your modification and your design and you write your title, your image, your link, and all of that, then you click over here and you dial it, then you upload your image here, and that's it how you can upload your product in FlairAI. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.